Seniors, have you noticed your vision isn't what it used to be? Maybe the words on the newspaper seem fuzzier. Or the glare from your phone at night feels just a bit harsher, or worse. Maybe it's getting harder to recognize the faces you love. If any of this feels familiar, please stay with me because this might be one of the most important health messages you'll ever hear. Today, I want to talk to you not as a medical expert, but as someone who's walked this road with countless older adults, many of whom feared they were going blind. But then, something amazing happened. They discovered 3 powerful herbs, completely natural, time-tested, and scientifically studied that helped protect their precious eyes and even reversed some of the damage. These aren't trendy fads. These are ancient remedies backed by modern science. And today, I'll share the full story with you: how they work, who they've helped, and most importantly, how you can start using them safely and effectively at home. So grab a warm cup of tea, sit somewhere comfortable, and let's journey through a powerful path toward clearer vision. Naturally, first, I need to tell you about one of my former patients, Eleanor. She's 74, a retired school teacher, sharp as a tack, but her biggest fear was going blind, like her mother did in her 70s. She noticed her night vision was getting worse. Streetlights turned into halos. Reading books, which she once adored, became a struggle. Glasses didn't help much. She told me, "It's like my eyes are tired of trying." Tests revealed early-stage macular degeneration. Now, that's a scary diagnosis, but not a hopeless one. I reassured her there were ways to slow down, even possibly improve her condition. And that's when I introduced her to the first herb on our list. It's called Bilberry. It's nothing short of a miracle for aging eyes. Bilberry has been used for centuries in Europe. Legend has it that British pilots in World War II ate bilberry jam to sharpen their night vision during raids. But this isn't just folklore, modern science confirms it. Bilberry contains antioxidants, powerful antioxidants that protect the retina from light damage and inflammation. You see, the retina is like the camera film of your eye. If it's damaged, your vision fades. Bilberry helps protect those delicate, light-sensitive cells and improves microcirculation in the eye. That means more oxygen, more nutrients, and better waste removal for your hard-working eyes. Eleanor started taking bilberry extract capsules daily, along with a few dietary changes, and within 3 months, she was reading again. Her night vision improved, she told me. "I feel like I'm getting a second chance to see the world." That's the power of nature when you know where to look. The second herb I want to share is a lesser-known treasure from the East, Ginkgo Biloba. Most people know ginkgo as a memory enhancer and, yes, it's amazing for the brain. But very few people know it also benefits the eyes. Why? Because your brain and your eyes share the same blood supply. Ginkgo improves blood flow, especially to the tiny capillaries in the retina and optic nerve. This is critical as we age. After 60, our circulation naturally slows down. This reduced blood flow starves the eye tissues of oxygen and nutrients, accelerating conditions like glaucoma and retinal damage. Ginkgo acts like a gentle vascular tonic, encouraging blood to reach every corner of your visual system. And there's something else: it's also a neuroprotectant, which means it helps protect the optic nerve from stress and degeneration. I had another patient, Henry Ann, 81-year-old retired engineer who struggled with peripheral vision loss due to glaucoma. He was on medication, yes, but still feared further loss. We added ginkgo to his routine, carefully monitoring interactions with his prescriptions. Within a few months, his visual field test showed improvements. Not dramatic, but enough for his doctor to say, "Whatever you're doing, keep doing it." And he did. Henry told me, "It's like I've been given a few more pages in the book of life. I thought I couldn't read anymore." Isn't that what we all want to see our grandchildren grow? To admire the sunrise, to read a love letter again. Ginkgo helped him do just that. Now, the third herb. This one might surprise you. It's called saffron. Yes, the same spice used in cooking, only here. It's used in a therapeutic dose to support eye health. And the science behind it is astonishing. Saffron has been shown in clinical trials to improve vision in people with age-related macular degeneration. How? It contains crocin and crocetone, compounds that act as potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. But more importantly, they help regulate genes involved in the health of photoreceptor cells, the very cells that allow us to see light and color. These compounds even enhance oxygen flow in the eyes and reduce oxidative stress. Saffron isn't cheap, it's the most expensive spice in the world. But when used medicinally in controlled amounts, it becomes a powerful vision protector. I remember meeting Lucia, a 70-year-old painter whose greatest fear was losing her ability to paint sunsets. She described her early-stage macular degeneration as a fog slowly rolling in over everything I love. After starting saffron supplements, along with bilberry and omega-3 south, she told me she could see color more vividly again. "It's not just that I see better," she said. "I feel like I'm living in color again." That's when I knew this wasn't just about eye health, it was about restoring hope, joy, and independence. So let's recap. 3 herbs: bilberry, ginkgo, biloba, and saffron, each with a unique role. Bilberry protects and strengthens the retina. Ginkgo enhances blood flow and guards the optic nerve. Saffron rejuvenates the photoreceptors and enhances clarity. But remember, these are not magic bullets. They work best when paired with good habits, things like proper hydration, eye-friendly foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthine, wearing sunglasses outdoors, and limiting screen time. And just as important, talk to your doctor or pharmacist before adding any herbs, especially if you're on blood thinners or managing chronic conditions. These herbs are powerful, and they must be used with care. I want to say this from the heart. Losing your vision is one of the most frightening things about aging, but it's not inevitable. Nature has given us tools. Modern science has confirmed them, and real people like Eleanor, Henry, and Lucia have seen the results. So can you. Don't wait for the fog to roll in. Start today. Add 1 herb at a time. Notice the small changes. Protect your eyes like the treasures they are. Because the truth is, your eyes are not just organs. They are your windows to the soul, the past, and the people you love. They've witnessed your happiest moments, your proudest days, your grandchildren's first steps. They've read bedtime stories, watched the rain fall, and shed tears of both sorrow and joy. They deserve protection. They deserve care. And most of all, they deserve hope. If this message resonated with you, please share it with someone you love. A sister, a neighbor, a friend at church. You never know who's silently struggling with their vision, afraid to speak up. This video could be the moment they choose to take control. And if you've already tried one of these herbs, or have your own natural remedy that's helped your vision, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else. Thank you for spending this time with me today. You're not alone. Your journey to better vision is just beginning. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, take care of your eyes, your health, and your heart.